guys, welcome back to my channel. So do you know that every year more than 25,000 students appear for NEET MDS examination and the number of MDS seats are 6,000 to 6,200 somewhere. So now the question is quite valid. Can I crack NEET MDS in first attempt? And I would say yes, even if you are an average student. In this video, we are gonna figure out how you can crack NEET MDS in the very first attempt. I have divided this video into two halves. In the first half, we will see that what are the qualifying criteria, okay? First, our target should be clear. Our focus should be clear, okay? Then and then we can achieve what we are aiming for. And in the second part, I'm gonna discuss with you which subjects to focus on to get the maximum marks and how to approach these subjects. So guys, I am telling you that you can crack NEET MDS in first attempt, but there are two rules. Number one rule is that you have to act. My job is to give you the idea, to give you the strategy, to give you the clear picture, but you have to act on it. And the second rule is डरना नहीं है, okay? Fear kills more dreams than failure ever does. So do not think about the competition, okay? Competition is for products. When competition is among the products can do better. It is not meant for humans. You have to work on yourself. You have to push your limits, okay? My job is to give you guidance and direction, but your job is to work on it. So with these two rules, I'm very much sure and confident that you can crack NEET MDS in the first attempt. So now, any further ado, let's get started. Before we go forward, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, because Dent Woman has a lot to offer to you all. So guys, first we will see what was the cutoff for NEET MDS 2021. Okay, for the general and EWS category, the score which you have to score to qualify is 259 marks. Okay, but it is not fixed. It has varied from years to years. Okay, and for the different categories, it was as mentioned. But guys, first let me explain to you what is percentile mean. Okay, so if 100 students are appearing for an exam, at least 50% of the students should be ahead of you and 50 should be behind you. Okay, so which means you have to cut the competition into half to qualify this examination. And if you are belonging to any of the categories, then you should be at least ahead of the 40% of the students. Okay, so if we look at the past year's trend, NEET MDS 2020 cutoff, which was revised, okay, it was from 50th percentile, it went down till 31st of the percentile. So if you want to know more about cutoff, I have already created a video and the link of which will be in the description box below, where I have mentioned that when and why NB lowers the cutoff and what was the trend of cutoffs of the past 3 years. Okay. Yes, so guys, we have 240 MCQs for the exam and our goal is to qualify this exam in the first go. Okay. So how many MCQs you should actually attempt? So if we start with the minimum, okay, if you are attempting 100 questions, okay, and obviously this is not gonna be the scene that if you are attending 100 questions, then 100 will be correct, okay? So we are taking a general scenario where if you are attempting 100 questions, 75 questions are correct, okay? So your score will be 300 and your 25 MCQs which were incorrect will be deducted and your score will be 275. So yes, with this equation you can qualify the examination. The other scenario is if you are attempting more, which is 120 questions, okay, out of which 80 are correct and your incorrect response is 40 questions, then also you will get 280 marks and you can qualify the exam. But what happens is, when you attempt less number of questions, you have to be very much accurate with your answers. Okay, your incorrect responses should be minimum. Okay, if you are attempting 100 questions, then 75 of which should be correct. So it is a difficult task when you are under the pressure of exam, and you never know how the exam is, whether it is difficult, easy or moderate. Okay, so this equation could work well for you when the examination is tough. Okay, but yes, you have to be very much accurate to qualify the exam with the less number of question attempted. Okay, now let's move forward. Okay, so this scenario would be the most ideal, where you are attempting 150 questions out of 240. Okay, so if you are attempting 150 questions, and if 100 questions are also correct, then also your score will be 350. So guys, here I am trying to give you a clear cut idea and a clear cut goal. Okay, so you have to practice this while giving mock test. If you want to qualify NEET exam in the first attempt, then you have to take care of two things. One is the number of questions you are attempting and the number of incorrect responses. You have to control both these factors to get the rank or to get the score which you want. Now let's look at the another scenario, okay, where you are attempting 150 questions, okay, but your incorrect responses goes 50 plus. Okay, it is somewhere around 60 your incorrect responses. Then also you are safe. Okay, you will get the score of 300 even if you are doing 60 questions wrong and attempting 150 questions. And the third scenario is ki if you are attempting 150 questions, okay, and your incorrect responses should not be 70 or even more than 60 in any case. Okay, otherwise you will lose that range and you will not get qualified. So I hope it is clear and you will keep this in mind while giving the mock test. Now the third scenario, where you are attempting 200 questions. Okay, so see, now you have a bigger ground to play. If you have 200 questions now, and if you are just doing 50% of which is correct, like 100 questions are correct and 100 are incorrect, then also your score will be 300 and you will get qualified. The second scenario is where your 90 questions are correct out of the 200 questions which you have attempted, and your score will be 250. So this will become a borderline scenario. Okay, so if you are attempting more number of questions, which is 200 or around 200, then you have to make sure that at least 50% of the questions which you have attempted should be correct to qualify this examination. And if you are going for attempt of 200 plus, then obviously your correct number of questions should also be 100 plus. So if you are attempting more number of questions, your only target should be that at least half of those questions should be correct. Now the question is कि कितने questions attempt करने चाहिए, whether I should attempt 100, 150, 200 or 200 plus. Guys, it solely depends on your question paper. Okay, if the paper is easy to moderate, then your attempt should be 180 to 200 around. Okay, and you have to take care of the correct responses as I have shown you the mathematics. Okay, and now if the paper is very difficult, then I would like to say that you should play safe. Okay, that attempt of 150 or 150 around questions will be ideal for a difficult paper, and you have to make sure that whichever MCQs you have attempted, you are 100% confident about it and they are correct. Now let's see that which subjects you should focus more on. Okay, all these subjects are important. NEE has given equal importance to all the subjects, but preparing these subjects very well, you can score easily and well in moderate to easy kind of examination. Okay, So focusing more on this will ease your work, it will give you confidence, and yes, you can crack NEET MDS in very first attempt. So endodontics में mostly guys clinical questions आते हैं. Okay, give your case scenarios of root canal, pulpotomy, pulpectomy, all that things. Okay, endodontics of adult and pediatric as well. Okay, both of it. Then conservative guys, we study from second year, so I think we all have good hold on to it, that which cavity prep, how many margins, which burrs to use, all those type of questions if they ask, then you will be able to attempt it confidently. And also the dental materials related to conservative. Then anatomy and pharmacology, these two basic subjects you have to prepare, no matter you like this subject or not, you have to prepare these two subjects very well. And I'm telling you that pharmacology was one of the weakest subject of mine, and I have read it again and again and again, and I hated it, but still I had to do it. And you all have to do it, because 14 to 15 MCQs will be asked from pharmacology. Then DADH, which is again easier subject, easier to prepare, but if you know the correct knowledge, or if you have the correct information about it, then you can definitely score in the questions asked from this subject. Okay, prosthodontics, yes, the CD concepts should be very much clear into your head. Okay, so implant and ceramic related questions are being most asked in prosthodontics in last 2 to 3 NEET examination papers. Okay, oral surgery again. Okay, exodontia, you have to be very thorough with it, because it is the basics, okay, of dentistry. So exodontia, LAGA, all those things you have to prepare very well, and questions will be asked there. Okay, and also cleft lip and palate, that is also an important topic. Then comes the radiology. Okay, concepts of radiology should also be very much clear. Okay, and also image based questions from these subjects can be asked. Okay, and the last is periodontology, which is I think easier subject, but you might find it boring, but yes, if you are reading it well, then you will be able to score it. Now there are 2 rules which I had explained to you. Okay, you have to take actions after listening to this video, after watching this video. Okay, and the second thing is, do not fear. Okay, you a clear picture, clear mathematics, that आप इतना attempt करोगे, आपके incorrect responses इतने होंगे, and you will get this score. So you can do this. Okay, you can clear NEET MDS in very first attempt. So my very all the best to you all, and do your best, read well, and still if you have any queries, you can reach to me on Instagram, Facebook, or you can write to me also. Also do visit my website on www.dentowoman.com, and please write to me. I will be really happy to hear from you all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.